Hey everybody, it's Mr. Thunderwing and I'm back here with another video to show you just how I've incorporated my new main mini Bartop arcade machine into some networking 3-player fun times, and this time I'm using the old real-time strategy game Red Alert 2. Now you might be thinking to yourself that a real-time strategy game doesn't seem like the most natural fit for a Bartop arcade machine, but the original idea when I built it was to actually use it as a regular PC for some of these types of things as well, which obviously means having to exit from the front end, plugging a mouse and a keyboard in. Now obviously as well I've taken the disk drive out from this machine, so what I have had to do here is obtain a dodgy ISO image off the internet, which I then virtually mounted. Now here's my normal PC, which is acting as the host, and over to the right here we have got my PC, which I tend to use as my multimedia PC, which is acting as player 2. So you can see on the screen here all 3 players ready to go. So L3 there is the host, L2 was the machine that I was just showing there, which was my multimedia PC, and then obviously the Alcade over here, which is technically player 3 even though he looks like player 1. So just getting the 2 machines which aren't the host ready here. Getting player number 2 ready. And then back over to the host, click start, and off we go. So we can see all 3 machines wirelessly loading up here. And once these have loaded up, what I'm going to do is cut away, and I'm going to then get one of the machines fully armed up. I'll probably just get the bases set up a little bit on the other 2 machines, and then once I've got a good bit of armour, a few tanks and what have you, then I'm going to go and completely crush the other players. See you in a bit. Okay, so I've got these Soviets pretty well established here. Gonna build a little bit of a base up here on the Alcade, but yeah, let's go and destroy it. Rah! And here they all go. Anyway, so there we have it, a little bit of Red Alert 2 Command and Conquer networky fun times. Now something else that's just worth mentioning is that when I first tried to get this set up today, I actually hadn't played Red Alert 2 on my main computer for quite a long time, and it mysteriously just would not work. Nothing would seem to get it actually to load up, so I tried uninstalling it and then tried reinstalling, And then the reinstall wouldn't work either. It was rather baffling, so I did a little bit of research on Google just to see if anyone else has had this problem as well. And it turns out it's actually a recent Microsoft Windows update that has actually fucked everything up. Basically it's to do with a certain security service driver or something, which no longer works. Fortunately though, I was able to find a workaround on the internet, and as you can obviously tell by the video here, get everything up and running. So if you likewise suddenly found that your version of Red Alert 2 no longer works, I'll put a bit of information in the video description about how I managed to get this working again. Right then everyone, so this is the end of the video. I have been Mr. Thunderwing, thank you for watching, and see you all again soon. Bye bye.